till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll that down, my ladies. Show. Hey, swing those hips around.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you could see in my previous video, I have bought a few days ago these floor standing German speakers, AEG, German company AEG, but I think that they were produced anywhere on the Far East. And why I have bought such a speakers? Because they are not old ones, as I love the old audio. This can be old 10, 15, maximum 20 years. But why? I bought them regarding the backside labels, because here is the number 500 watts. For me, incredible number, because I have here in my listening room, I can show you, this is example. I can show you this speaker. This speaker, there should be 100, yes, 100 watt, 100 watt Tesla speaker. Yes, it has 100 watt, and this should have 500 watts. So I bought them regarding these labels and regarding this video, because I would like to compare the sound with such a small old Tesla speaker box, 15 watts. There is the Tesla bass speaker, 15 watts only, and let's compare the sound. 500 watts nowadays box, and 15 watts old Czechoslovak Tesla speaker box. Yes, I always receive comments that the comparison of speaker boxes which I make here in my listening room, that it's nonsense, that I do it by bad way and so, but I love it. I love to compare the sound. So let's hear them. They are connected both to an amplifier, to left channel, to right channel, and please write me in comments which sound do you prefer, which sound do you like more, if from this box or from this box. I will not comment it. So let's try it. I will let's play the track number 3. This is the, I always receive the questions what music, what tracks I use, which tracks I use. So these are only from the YouTube library only, non-copyright music. So I'm worried to use any copyrighted music. So the quality of the music is not so good, but you will hear. So write me please in comments if you like more this one, this big one, or this small one. And regarding the weight, so I can say this one is maybe so heavy like this, maybe it has 1-2 pounds more, but this is pretty heavy. The track number 3. Left channel only, AEG. Right channel only. So, which box? Which has for you better sound? This one or this one? And as it is usual, both of them, or both pairs, I have pair of this and pair of this, are for sale. All of them you can find later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Hi-Fi boxes. These are on my website because I have them about 1 year or half year. You can find them under my internal number 178879, and this will have a little higher number. I don't have it in my head now. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and as I say in all of my newer videos, if you like my videos you can also join my channel. Don't worry, click on the join, nothing happens, then you can read all the conditions and then you can decide if you would like to join or not to join. You receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some free gifts from me. Some of them free shipping, European Union, some of them not free shipping because they are bigger ones. You must take it personally from here, from my listening room. If you need to ship them per post, you have to pay shipping costs, but I'm shipping only inside the European Union. The most of audio only inside. I don't like to fill in the text forms and other formalities. So once more, thank you for watching and have a nice day.